So stick around because we are going to share the secret to the most flavorful, moist banana bread with crumble topping. Join us as we create the ultimate banana bread with a crunchy crumble topping that will blow your mind. I'm super excited to share this delicious recipe with everyone today. Adding that crunchy crumble topping just elevates the banana bread, elevates this classic dessert to a whole new level. And I can't wait for you guys to try it out, you know? Let's face it, banana bread is delicious, and it's something we do with softened bananas. They're still good, but the browner the better for banana bread. And sometimes when you buy it from a bakery or the store, grocery store, it's not as rich and delicious. It's a little bit bland. And I mean, really, it's what? Bananas with some flour, sugar, and eggs?
Right.
Not the most exciting dessert, but sometimes it can be too dense or too soft or lacking texture that we all crave with banana bread.
We're about to show you how to make the best banana bread you've ever had in your life. Period.
The crumble is chef's kiss. Let's get into it.
So, ingredients we're going to get into. This is only half. We're only making half the recipe. The description will have the full recipe, so full amount of ingredients. But we're going to go ahead and get started with 1/4 cup butter, melted, liquidy. 1/2 cup white sugar. 1 egg. 1/2 teaspoon vanilla extract. 3/4 cup flour.
What is going on in there? Why? What is taking so long?
What's not gonna make it be like soup? That's the wrong one, but it's okay.
1/2 teaspoon baking soda.
Baking soda.
1/4 teaspoon salt. 1/4 cup sour cream. 1 to 2 small baninis. 1 to 2 small or medium bananas smashed like baby food.
So that's the banana bread. This is the crumble topping. So we have about 3.5 tablespoons of brown sugar, some flour, about 1/4 cup, 1 tablespoon of ground cinnamon, 2.5 tablespoons of unsalted butter, and I don't think you can even see this. I can barely see this, but it's just a pinch of kosher salt, just very little bit, just to kind of balance everything out.
And the butter should be room temperature.
Softened, room temperature. Yes, correct. My bad. I guess I can tell, but I should tell you as well, right? All right, so
what we do on this channel.
anyways, whatever. All right, so we're gonna actually get started with putting everything together now. So preheat your oven at 350 degrees. You wanna grease a 9x5 loaf pan, but this is like just a small little pan. Just a little baby pan to make a little baby banana bread. So we're gonna need a couple of different mixing bowls, so let me grab those. Voila, and they're here. So first things first is we're gonna mix the wet ingredients. So egg, vanilla, sugar, and butter mixed together. Now you're gonna mix it well. And how we're gonna do it?
Best whisk in the world.
So that's all mixed up? Okay. So now in a smaller, littler bowl, mixing
What the f did she say?
bowl, whatnot, we're gonna do flour, baking soda, and salt. Mix them together. So this is the flour. And then baking soda and salt. And then you can just use that little spatula.
Oh,
So now what you're gonna do is you're gonna put the flour mixture into the wet liquid ingredients and mix that together. You may need to use this because it's a bread, so it's gonna be a little bit of a thicker mixture. Try it with the whisk, see how it feels, and if it doesn't feel good, then
no challenge for the best whisk in the world.
pick up the spatula. It ain't gonna get you today.
Nope.
Not today.
Not today. Not today, Satan.
Not today, Satan. So this is a very simple, easy
Best
recipe.
whisk in the world.
And you probably, like we said, have everything you need already in your pantry.
There you go.
So it's mixed good. Mm-hmm. So now I'm gonna talk to him like
on 5?
I don't know. I'm gonna tell you something and you're gonna be like, what the heck? But now you get to fold in the sour cream and fold in the bananas.
I didn't know he's doing laundry. What do you mean by that?
Don't overmix it, but just incorporate the sour cream and bananas into that mixture. So no whisk. We're done with the whisk.
Bye.
Okay.
At the same time?
Yeah, go ahead. Mix them all. Mix everything together. Oops. Mix it. Don't overmix it. And it's going to be like a thick bread mixture.
Okay, my process.
Like,
I mix the bananas.
So how you
Hold on.
What did you say?
It's a man moment right now.
Okay, man moment.
I am mixing the sour cream and the bananas on top of the thing I just made. And then I'm going to fold that in together like that.
Okay.
Genius. Genius. Loosen that up some.
Yep, just make sure it's all mixed, but don't...
I got you. I got you. Why is it called? Oh, it's called folding because you fold it over.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
That should...
I got
you're almost done.
Yep. Don't you worry. I got this one.
Come on.
You cannot rush perfection.
Once that's done, put it into your pan, greased, whatever type of pan you want to use.
Can I? Yes, I can.
Yeah. And then just smooth it out.
Getting there. Oh, yeah.
That already looks good. Looks like some banana pudding. I'd eat that.
I'm an artiste.
Okay. So that's that. And now it's time for the crumble. The crumble is super simple, guys. All we're doing, I have a small little bowl. Take it. And all of the ingredients, flour, sugar, butter, cinnamon, salt, mix it together to make it a crumble. That's all to it. Salt. Just a little bit of salt. And you
Had to make sure I got it all.
You want to just use a fork just to kind of incorporate it all together. And then the butter.
Butter. Oh,
Actually.
yeah. There you go.
Okay.
And then this is getting mixed, not folded.
You're going to mix it, yes.
Okay.
Mix it well to make it look like a little
Crumble.
like crumbly. Yeah.
I know what a crumble is.
What's nice about this crumble is you can make it and you can store it in the fridge for a couple of days and put it on other things like oatmeal or some waffles or something, just to give it a little bit more crunch when you're cooking it up.
Some of the
sugar,
brown sugar.
Yeah, the packed sugar is a little hard to get through, but you got it. You got the muscles. You got the muscles. Come on, you got it.
I got it. So, I was reading something.
Uh-oh. David reading.
True that. I was reading that there's a difference between a crumble and a strudel.
What's the difference? Tell me.
It said that the strudel has rolled oats,
Oh,
but a crumble
does not.
does not.
Okay.
I don't know if that's true.
I've never made a strudel, so I don't know. Maybe we can try that one day. Ooh, we could do a blueberry muffin with the strudel topping. That would be good.
Now you talking my language.
With some fresh blueberries, frozen blueberries, whatever blueberries you want to use. But blueberry muffins are delicious.
I love them.
Homemade are delicious. When my daughter was young, that's all she ever wanted was blueberry muffins. We made the mini ones, the regular size, extra large, whatever. All right.
How's that look?
Okay, so now we're gonna just, nope.
I'm showing the people.
Oh,
I don't know if you can see that. Anyways.
and then just sprinkle it. You want to use a fork or a spoon? And then just cover it.
I'm gonna let you take over.
You know,
I ain't messing that one up.
yeah, it's just. Oh, it's not. You ain't messing it up. I ain't messing it up.
I ain't messing it up in front of the people.
It's just the topping. We're gonna use most of it or all of it.
You have to use all of it.
Oops.
Yeah, that was a big clump.
Come on, get in that corner. Okay, she done. So, put it in the oven for about 45 minutes. Check it if it comes out clean. If it comes out clean, do you know what I'm talking about? If a knife, butter knife, or a toothpick comes out clean from the center, then it's done. So, beware. It will smell your house a lot.
All right, she done. Already got her cut up into slices. About to do this taste test. All right, go ahead and serve it up.
Pick a piece. You're gonna take the end?
Of course, I love the ends.
I guess I'll take the second one in line. Oh, hold up. Oh, it's crumbling everywhere.
The crumble is crumbling.
Okay. My belly's happy.
My taste buds are exploding with flavor. Like always, great dish. Crumble, just enough to add some flavor to it. Banana bread, as always, moist, not too dense, not too soft.
It's perfectly delicious.
Perfectly delicious. Give it a try. Let us know what you think. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, like, share, do all the whatever you're supposed to say stuff. I don't know. Anyways, till next time, guys.
Bye.